a simple plan. Got a date with a night, gonna join the clan. At Madonna Restaurant, when the day is done, we're gonna fire it up, have ourselves some fun. March 20th is calling, can you hear the sound? Gonna tear the roof off this sleepy little town. Yeah, first we take Zihua, make the ocean sway. Then we're moving on up to Ixtapa the next day. First we take Zihua, let the good times roll. Then we take Ixtapa and we're losing all control. The 21st arrives, sun is high and hot. Ricardo's got the pool, baby, that's the spot. Afternoon delight, gonna make a splash. Three of Mexico's finest, ready to unleash the clash. Supernals on fire, Elias soulful cry. Los Gloriosos coming, gonna reach the sky.